Hello everyone, I'm here with a product review. So you all know I'm a diabetic and I'm trying to do better without using all this sugar. It's so hard. But I found a product. A few weeks back I ordered some food and stuff off Amazon and they had this stevia sweetener and I was a little nervous about trying it. And it's called PYure, P-Y-U-R-E, Organic. It's almost finished, y'all. I used so much of it. If I recall correctly, it was kind of expensive. It really was. And that's what it looks like again. And it says, your sweetener should taste great, whether baking up a batch of brownies or simply enjoying your daily coffee. PYure is so tasty and sweet. You'd forget sugar was ever an option. Okay. So I brought it and I tried it and it's so sweet, y'all. It's so good. It is really, really good. It tastes just like sugar. Now, the only con, I started getting crazy with it. And I put 3 tablespoons in there. And it was bitter, y'all. It was bitter. If you put a tablespoon and a half or a tablespoon, you're good. So try this. We are always looking for products that make us feel like we are eating real sugar instead of those other sweeteners that we bear with them, but they don't really taste all that great. But this one is good. And then I had another one. I have the review on my channel. I forgot the name of it. And that one is good too. But it comes in a real small container like that. And you're paying, I think it was $7 at that time for that little small container. But it was sweet. But this one is a little bit better. You're getting 16 ounces. And I wish they would put this in a real big package. Even if I have to pay more, I would get it because, you know, I have to manage my sugar intake and it's great, y'all. So that's the end of my review of this PYure, nature's sweetest ingredients, highest quality organic stevia. So sweet you'll forget sugar was ever an option.